Alright guys, so in this video, we're actually going to sign up for ClickFunnels. So on our screen right now, we are at www.officialnickdaniele.com/ClickFunnels. And on this website, we're actually going to get access to an exclusive offer to ClickFunnels. So you're going to get a 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels, as well as $4,997 in bonuses completely free. So once you sign up for ClickFunnels through this website, and there'll be a link to the resources file for this website and a button underneath this video. But once you sign up for ClickFunnels, you're going to go ahead and shoot me an email at support@officialnickdaniele.com, and then I'm going to forward you these bonuses completely free. So some of these bonuses include the Facebook lead generation program, the Instagram hacks to explode followers, and a bunch of other cool, amazing courses that are going to help you and your business absolutely take it to the next level. So after you sign up for ClickFunnels, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is join the private Facebook group. Here, you can get in contact with other people who are crushing it with ClickFunnels, and you're just going to want to have that resource because it is awesome. After that, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is download the done for you funnels. So you're going to need to sign up for ClickFunnels before you actually download the funnels into your account. But once you sign up for ClickFunnels, go ahead and download the funnels into your account. This is completely free as well. You can get access to my personal funnels. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is actually just walk through the process of signing up. So what we're going to go ahead and do is open this up in a new tab. And what I'm actually going to go ahead and do is sign up for ClickFunnels with a brand new account, just so you guys can see what basically it's going to look like when you sign up for ClickFunnels. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is actually pause the video, and then I'm going to resume it once we are inside. So real quick guys, they do have two plans. There is the basic plan and the Etsy suite, which is basically their more advanced plan. You're going to get access to unlimited funnels and unlimited pretty much everything. And you're also going to get access to ActionX and Backpack, which is the email autoresponder and the affiliate hosting platform. I use the Etsy suite, but again, if you're just getting started, ClickFunnels, the basic is, definitely more than enough. And you guys might be thinking $97, that's, a lot of money, but you have to realize ClickFunnels does pretty much everything. And once you are, starting to make, $100,000 a month, it's pretty much nothing for a $97 month software service that is going to take you and your business to the next level. So I just want to make that quick edit, but we'll be right back once I complete the registration. All right, so we are inside ClickFunnels right now, and basically what we're going to want to go ahead and do now is get our done for you funnels. So again, this is another funnel that you're going to be able to get access to, but to get actually to this page, join the Facebook group. In the pin post, there will be a link to this page, but here's where you're going to get access to the done for you funnels. But what you're going to want to go ahead and actually do is come over here, and where it says get my free cheat sheet, go ahead and click that. You're going to go ahead, enter your information, so we can just do Nick, and you're going to agree. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get brought to another page, and you're going to get access to all of these done for you funnels. So we signed up for ClickFunnels, we're good here. We got our private Facebook group, we're already in it. And then what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and download these funnels. So it might take a couple seconds, but that's all right. And what's going to happen is we're going to actually be able to get these funnels automatically into our account. So we see our ClickFunnels cheat sheet is downloading, and we'll just go for the done webinar funnel. So it does take a few minutes, but that's perfectly okay. And we're actually going to be able to edit these funnels and make them our own. So I love doing this, and I love recommending everyone to do this because it's much easier to see a funnel and get inspired by it, and add a little things that you may like, may not like, right? When you're just getting started, you may have like no idea what a good funnel is supposed to look like. You might be kind of overwhelmed. That's why I love always recommending this basically aspect of the done for you funnels and the share funnels that ClickFunnels offers. So we are good here, and what we'll actually do now is let's actually open up these funnels and I can show you guys, right? So the ClickFunnels cheat sheet, that is the funnel that we just looked at. So that is this funnel. So we already checked that one out. And then we have our 6-figure dropshipping funnel. So this is if you're selling physical products. So if you plan on opening a Shopify Shopify dropshipping store, that is definitely your speed. And then I have my Amazon FBA webinar funnel. So if you plan on selling a digital product like a course or a masterclass or anything like that, the last funnel is definitely your speed. So I'll show you guys real quick both of these funnels once they load up. But so we got the drop shipping funnel right here, and you guys can see it has the benefits. You got some testimonials down here. You have some more photos, and then you have what you want them to do. Go to the next step and actually get that product that you're selling. So this is the e-com funnel, and then over here we have the webinar funnel. So you guys can see, right, got a picture, call to action right down here. Then I have the training starting every 30 minutes, so you guys can, again, update that. We'll talk about how to do this inside the course. Then you have the secrets, and again, call to action, getting them to join the training. So guys, these are the funnels, right? So what you're going to want to do, download these funnels after you have signed up for ClickFunnels, and I'll see you guys in the next one.